So guys, McArthur Industries back down here in AllBrand Caravan Services and also Sandgate Auto Electric. So both of us on that side of these, we have this scenario where portable fridges, as you can see behind me here, are actually a major part of what we do within both our companies. So what we've got is a scenario where we do a lot of warranty for your Dometic products, your Engel products, your Evercool products, and places like this, some of your major marketplace, so Bushman's as well, we help them out as well. So what we just want to remind you, probably the biggest thing is if you have got any problems with your fridges or you have thoughts about it, just come down and see us. One of the guys out of AllBrand or Sandgate can help you, so we both those companies look after them. Also our caravanning sector, as you would understand, is more doing your three-way fridges with the gas side of things, with the verification of that. So, but fridges are something that everyone wants to know. Who makes the best fridge in the marketplace? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not going to let you know. Why I'm not is because there's horses for courses for different sizes of fridges, to weights of fridges, to insulation of fridges, to what compressors they run, to how you want them. Do you need a three-way or a two-way? So I know I'm disappointing a lot of people out there, but the thing is, there is all different aspects of what we're going to do. And as you can see, we do a fair few repairs on it. Why I'm saying this to you right at the moment is we've had our Christmas influx, we've had our Australia Day influx, and we're already coming up where people are thinking about their Easter. So to give you an idea, normally at our stage, which is terrible for our public, but we are a 2 to 3 week turnaround time on our fridges. So if you're looking at coming into the Easter side of things and you've got a portable fridge, turn it on, do some testing on it, because if there's any problems, get it down to us now so we can get it all sorted for you for the April Easter holidays. So have a great day, and we'll speak to you soon. Bye.